The fate of the new COVID pill is now in the hands of the FDA. Drugmaker Merck confirming today it has submitted its request for emergency use authorization. Christy Diaz has more.
This would be the first oral COVID treatment, and if it gets approved, it could be a game changer in the fight against COVID. This little red pill could be a huge step in protecting people against COVID-19. Merck made the formal request for emergency use authorization today, tweeting that the FDA will now review the new drug known as molnupiravir. The pill would be used to treat adults with mild to moderate COVID-19 who are at risk for progressing to severe disease or hospitalization. Human trials were so successful, they ended early to seek emergency FDA approval.
The importance and the potential impact that such a drug could have, not only in the United States, but also in low and middle income countries for an effective and cost-effective oral therapeutic. I think all of this weighs in heavily that the drug will be approved.
Experts emphasize this treatment is another tool to fight the virus and should not be used instead of vaccines.
Preventing infections is a much better thing to do than treating them after people have been sick.
Now in the FDA's hands, this sets the stage for a decision within weeks.
And at the end of this week, millions of Americans could be one step closer to receiving a COVID-19 booster shot. The FDA advisory panel, they are meeting on Thursday and Friday to discuss Moderna and Johnson & Johnson shots. The panel could make a final decision within days of the meetings, handing it over to the CDC, which has its next vaccine advisory committee meeting on October 20th. About 2 weeks ago, the CDC approved Pfizer's COVID booster for a selection of vulnerable Americans.